We're witnessing the beginning of this new digital age. Industrial and human behaviours have been radically transformed with the agent of the closely connected digital world. The next wave of digital society will see the rise of a new challenge and opportunity. So how will operators face this? Well, we're very honoured to have Mr. Kevin Song to talk to us about this today, so thank you for talking with us.
Okay, thank you very much.
How does Huawei understand the opportunities and challenges brought by the digital economy?
As we can see that in the past few years, the telecom operators had been facing so many tough competitions from not only the IT areas but also the OTT areas, and the services they rolled out. I mean, the OTT players and the IT players had rolled out so many very attractive services to the consumers, and the competitions from those guys had very been tough. The telecom operators had been suffering the decline of the revenue, and the churn rate of the subscribers had been a little bit higher than expected. So how to make themselves to be more competitive in the local market is the very tough questions that the telecom operators need to answer. So here we'd like to share our ideas how to help them to do transformations to face those competitions. So based on those backgrounds, so we just define AIOI. There are 4 key points that we can see that the telecom operators could take. The first one is the telecom operators need to roll out more services, more content to their subscribers to help them to increase their revenues, which means we define this kind of method to be the aggregation, to be more attractive to more content providers, to put more content to their platform, to the network. The second point is to build up a more flexible multi-side business model. I mean, the business model among the telecom operators and the partners, so that all the partners involved could benefit from such kind of cooperation. And the third key point is that the telecom operators need to be more open. Here we means that to open their ability, the key ability of their network and their assets, such as the data information of their subscribers, the information about their network, such as location information, so that the local developers or the third parties could use those kind of openness to build up more applications, so that the telecom operators could benefit from such kind of new applications and services. And last one, we use the intelligent, which means that the telecom operators need to be more smart to make their pipeline to be intelligent, which means the telecom operators could benefit from such kind of intelligence to know better about the behaviors about their subscribers, so that they can do more campaign or precise promotions based on such kind of intelligence. So we use the AIOI to define the method that telecom operators could take to do the transformation in the future.
Carriers need digital transformation to embrace the future and achieve business success. So how does Huawei help carriers implement digital transformation through operation aggregation?
It's a very good question. As we can see that from the telecom operators' point of view, there are 4 types of customers to them. The first one is the individual consumer customers, and the second one is the enterprise customers, and the third is the home subscribers, and the last one is some internet, the thing of internet, such as M2M. So based on those 4 kind of subscriber base, for Huawei, we can help our customers, I mean the telecom operators, to build up a platform to help them to aggregate more content providers, more application providers to get on board on their network, so that those kind of applications could go to different kind of subscriber base, such as the music content providers could provide more services to the individual consumers, and some machine-to-machine vendors could provide some attractive services to the some vehicles shops or some insurance companies based on this platform, and also some video value-added service could be provided as well. So our advantage, Huawei's advantage, is to help our telecom operators to build up such kind of platform, and also we use the very flexible business model among Huawei telecom operators and the third parties to be more efficiency in terms of roll out the new services and applications.
Facing opportunities and challenges, what is Huawei's strategy and plan for open platforms?
We had been talking about a very long time why we need to open the ability or the network or telecom operators to the third parties. Just as we can see that now it's become more and more difficult for the telecom operators to roll out more applications or services to the third parties, and the time to market had become very, very long. So how to enable the developers, especially the local developers, to provide more applications is become the key critical factors to be successful for the operators. So that's why the telecom operators need to open their abilities to the outside. So basically we define there are 8 sets of the ability that telecom operators need to open, such as the real-time communication, the charging, and the data information about the user, and also network optimization information. So for Huawei, we have the unified platform we named the Digital Service Delivery Platform to help the operators to collect all the information, the interface and the API information, and bundle them together to expose those kind of API and the information to the third parties, and provide the SDK for the third parties to help them to build up more applications and softwares based on those kind of APIs, so that the developers could be possible to build up new services to this platform, and also it will be possible for the telecom operators to roll out the new services very quickly to the subscribers. That's what we had been doing in the past 3 years in many countries, such as in Indonesia, in Malaysia, and also in Saudi Arabia, and in Mexico. We have different telecom operators that have been successful in such kind of business model to open their ability or network to the third parties. They had benefit from such kind of openness. I mean the benefit in terms of the business, not just the technical part, but the business. So we still want to focus on the openness to help our telecom operators to be more competitive in the local market.
It was a pleasure speaking with you. Thanks so much for talking with us today.